Hi guys, karibuni tena at the Oint Country Homes. My name's Benson Mwaura. For all of you that were with us on Saturday, you came and saw us launching the show houses and groundbreaking. We had a delicious cake for the lunch. Najua kila mtu alienjoy. So today, I want to take those that didn't make the chance to come and see the houses. I want to show you the condo because it's finished, it's ready, so that you can have a feel of whatever those that came to the ground wali feel. So leo ni ile siku. For all of you that came on Saturday, you saw that. For all of you that didn't make it, for all of you that are in the diaspora, you'll get a chance today to get to see the finishes we promised you and we have delivered. So for today, I want to take you through the condo, and as you can see immediately as we are turning the cameras to you, tushaeka the light sources. Hii ni preparation and waiting for the planters to grow. Tukuje zishikilie kwa hii fence to be very, very pretty. And as you can see, furnitures are in progress. Watu wangu mko salama? Kofiti? Kazi mnafanya? So we said about the cabros that we're going to put cabros in this unit. This is what we have here, the cabros. Hata kwa hizi streets in the estate, they will be having cabros, and we'll be having street lights also installed. Sawa. Mnakumbuka nikiwa kwa hii mlango hakukuwa na hizi tiles. Hizi tunaziita porcelain tiles for the dry spaces. Hizi ndizo tuna install for the unit, and as you can see, this canopy looks amazing. I wish it was in the night. I would have shown you these lightings zenye tumeka huku nje, how they look during the night. So let's go in. You can see what we have here. You remember previously I talked about we are going to do SPCs. We have the SPCs on ground. That is what we had promised you, and we have already delivered. You can go to, let's show them the cloakroom. The cloakroom, as I had promised, we have a concealed cistern in the wall, a hanging bowl. As you can see, that's a hanging toilet. We have very nice tiles that are on the wall. Very huge, very pretty. This is what we are going to deliver to you. And lighting also in that space. We have a vanity sink over here. You can put a few of your tissues, serviettes, people to wipe their hands. That is enough storage. We'll be having a mirror on this wall, so that when you're cleaning your hands, you're cleaning yourself as you're leaving the house, you can confirm that you're looking pretty. So on this wall, the indented frame where you put your artwork, where you can put your photo for people to get to introduce themselves to you as they're coming to your houses. So, welcome to the dining space. In the dining space, we have said you can invite like 10 to 12 people to enjoy in this space. We have an open kitchen. As you're preparing your food, you can be serving to your people as they're sitting there. So in the open kitchen, as you remember, as I said earlier, we'll be having an oven and a microwave. Then there's a provision for a fridge space. Double door space can fit there. A double door fridge can fit there. Then you have your pantry space where you can store your, let's say, mandizi umetoa huko, shagi, arrowroots, doma. You can store them there, or even sugar, rice, and all that. We have a 5-burner cooker over here with a hob. So this is the gadget that sucks the smoke or the fumes that are coming out as you're cooking, so they'll be sucked by this. This is provisioned for every person who is buying a unit with us. Electric positionings, zote ziko provided. You have the cabinets where you put your dishes, sufurias, and all that. This is looking very pretty. As I was telling you all this, hatuko na hizi zote. It looked like an empty shell, but some of you believed in me and purchased. For you that is looking at this for the first time, hapa tuko na the newest designs of sinks zenye tumekuprovidea in this space. So if you have your skuma wikis, unazioshea hapa. If you have your knives, you can put them here so that it can be safe for your kids. If you want to put soap, this is where you put your soap. Hot water, cold water, controlled from here. Now here you can retract, wash your sink or around, then take it back. That is the kind of designs we are doing for you. This is a space for your laundry cleaning. You can have your dryer on that side and washing machine on that side. The person who is using the DSQ will exit through this door to the SQ cab. And even the outside finishes we have done, as you can see. Very nice, very pretty. Here is the DSQ.
Very special.
Is it SQ or DSQ? Here is the SQ where your guy or your person that is helping you in the house, your assistant, will be using. It's all ensuite with a shower head. You can show them the shower head. It's very amazing. We have a sink over there. We have a shower head up there. So anakuja anachapa shower, they clean out. This is their space. They enjoy this space. They have a toilet over there. This is the only space we do not have a concealed cistern. Every other place in this house, we have concealed cistern. And as you can see, hata nyasi tumeanza kupanda. So in the next 2 months, when I'm taking you through again, you will be enjoying all the greenery outside there. So from the dining space, we have the lounging area, which is sun. This is our original design, but if you want that your lounging area to not have the sunken space, we can also do that for you. Previously, the windows, as it was in front, we have the windows very nice, very pretty. Lighting yenyewe kwa nyumba. You don't need any bulb during the day. We have provision for lighting. We have lighting. We have Wi-Fi. We have solar provisions cabling. Kama unataka kuja kuweka solar kwa nyumba yako, you just use these cablings provided for you. Ukitaka kuweka TV yako, that's the space you'll be using. For the curtains, juu hizi curtains hizi dirisha ni kubwa sana. Hautaweza kufungua zile curtains na mkono. So pale juu unaona tumeweka sockets on one side, sorry. So you can put an automatic remote controlled curtain opener. Unafinya tu remote, curtains zinafungua. Jioni unafinya remote, curtains zinafunga. Let me take you to the bedrooms, because I know that's the main place you guys want to get a feel of. As we are getting in, you have noticed we have a lot of these. These are called Wisconsin. Just for the aesthetics, we have introduced them to make the space look very unique. Even the paint, cameraman wangu sijui kama naona the texture provided there. That paint tumefanya tu just because our CEO is a lady, na unajua wanawake na quality and perfectionism. Jenny that. So, karibuni sana to one of the bedrooms. We have 2 identical bedrooms. We have one on that side. We have another one on this side. So as you can see, Wisconsin have a different texture for the feature wall, mahali kitanda yako inaangalia, so that the aesthetics zitakaa vizuri. Lighting on both sides, we have a lighter aperture. Sockets if you want to charge your phones, if you want to plug in something as you're on your bed, you want to work from bed. You have all these provisions for you. Lighting kila mahali. Hapa nazo windows, unaona hata leo hatujawasha stima. It's the same thing I've been saying. Hapa tutakuwekea reading nook. Once you're off your bed, you want to put in your shoes, you want to put off your shoes, unakalia hapa, and you can do that. One other space that we didn't have previously, we have the walk-in closet in the identical 2 bedrooms. Unafungua hapa, snake lights will go on so that you can be able to locate your clothes, your shoes. You dress up from inside. When you're done, you walk out, lock the space, and enjoy your day. Pia, this room, as I had said initially, it is all ensuite. We'll be having a shower cubicle here, enclosed. You come take a shower. When you're done, wipe yourself. You have the dishes over here. Place your soap, your shampoos, all that, your washing towels. For the toilet, we have the concealed cistern, a hanging bowl. Unatumia the toilet. If you want your tissues, Harpic, all that washeries for the toilet, unaziweka hapa tu kwa the niche. Next to that, we have a sink. This sink ni vanity. You can store some of the things that you need to use in the bathroom hapa chini. If you want to take a shave, we'll be having a mirror over there and a nice sink for you to wash your hands. You have a provision for electricity. You plug in your machine, you shave, and you're done. For the ladies, getting yourself pretty, utakuwa na kioo pale. So let's go to the master bedroom because I don't need to show you the other bedroom. Identically the same thing. So here we have the master bedroom. The master bedroom is this huge, as you can see. So you can have a 6x6. You can actually customize it as 7x6, a bigger bed as you wish. A reading nook on that side, lighting coming from outside, making this space very beautiful. Now, this is the other space we had talked about, the walk-in closet, where we have his and hers spaces, where you can dress up, put your clothes and all that. You can put a seat in between if you come out of the master bathroom, wipe yourself, dress from here, back to bed or to your business. Karibuni sana to the master bathroom. This is the unique space in this house. The prettiest of all, where we have very nice tiles over here. We have the feature wall having a different type of tile. We have the other walls having a different type of tile. Just to make this space unique, we decided to do something unique about it. We have the shower cubic over here. We have the concealed cistern over here. And we have the hanging bowl over there. Looking very amazing. Now, the other thing unique about this space, we have two vanity sinks for his and hers. For the ladies, you can use one to for makeup. For the guys, you can use these other ones for your shaves, for your dress up, to make sure that your tie, your shirt looks sharp. Don't forget, you can see a lot of lighting coming into this space. We have a skylight over there. Pale tunaweka kioo so that whenever you're having a shower moment in this shower cubicle, you can enjoy the skylight, you can enjoy the nature. When you're leaving this space, kama uliingia hapa na stress, unatoka ukiwa fresh for the day. Ama ni aje, what do you feel? For everyone who's there and is looking to invest in a condo, sitting on a 50 by 100, which is 170 SQM, this is the unit you need to purchase. I want to take you to one more space that is very unique. Considering that you do not have a bigger space for you to host your guests over here, we thought about that and we incorporated something unique upstairs. Tunajaribu kumalizia the finishing. We have the stairs being tiled. Kama wakituruhusu kupanda tutawaharibia kazi, but we have the upstairs. I'll show you via the drone shots. We have the upstairs where you can do your events. We have a pergola provision. We have a small kitchenette provision. We have a sink where you can wash your hands. Kila kitu iko provided upstairs. If you have an event kama Twitter gani Rashio, event kama a very huge birthday, unakuja unahost watu hapa, you cut the cake, you enjoy the night. Utakuwa na lighting hapa juu, utakuwa na socket provisions if you want to engage in music. Hizo zote zitakuwa provided for you. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Call me on 0726 996 405. I'll bring you to site. Ama turuke hizo steps zote. I'll book you a unit in phase 2. Just give me a call today. Tuanze safari. Thank you very much. Tuonane the next show. Asanteni sana.